Exactly my point. The moment you realize that things are not working, you expected them to work, you just try and find out a solution to it like you just did by increasing the volume of your phone. Right? Shouldn't that be the case for rest of the things around us? That should be right. My name is Adarsh and I'm here to discuss with you guys two important things. First, for this November 20 exam which just got postponed, how should we all be responding to it? And second, what role I can play or what can be my part to for you guys to sort of keep going. So first part, देखो यार, whatever is happening around us, है ना, पेंडेमिक की वजह से not just you, not just me, every human on this planet, everyone has been affected. Cool. For all such situations, for all of us, we have always got two choices. One, either we can sort of keep complaining for what has happened, what could have happened, है ना, or second choice is you just keep your emotions aside. Let us for a moment keep our emotions aside, move ahead out of it and think using your brains, not your heart, as to is this now, for whatever happened now, is this what best we could have responded to the situation? As in, हो गया ना, अभी कल अनाउंसमेंट हुआ, आई कैन वेरी वेल फील दैट एवरीवन इमोशनली साइकोलॉजिकली गेट्स अफेक्टेड और डिस्टर्ब, राइट? बट वो सब होने के बाद इज दिस नाउ बेस्ट हाउ वी कैन रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट? नहीं ना. अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, अगर अभी आप लोग 12 आवर्स अ डे पढ़ रहे थे, now you can start studying 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, whatever you are comfortable with, and find a balance in your try and find a balance in your day by doing the things other than studies that you like. Try workout, try gaming, try anything you want to do, but what is important I'm trying to convey you guys is keep your emotions aside and keep going, get going, don't stop here. You can change your plans, you can modify the way you want them to, but we must keep going. Is that fine? Second thing, as I said that we all should keep going, I just thought what can be my role or what part can I play for making you guys keep going? So the best thing which I could think of is revision, है ना. हम लोगों ने derivatives तो रिवाइज किया ही था थोड़े दिन पहले, इसीलिए now we are planning forex का revision. Overall approximately 24 hours के लिए revision होने वाला है ना. So अगर आपको इंस्टीट्यूट ने whatever number of days extra दिए, 20, 21, whatever, I'm not going to that calculation. If you think that 24 hours you can take out so that you are in a flow with the things, so it makes sense for you to join it. हम लोग स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट की टर्म्स में एंड क्वेश्चन की टर्म्स में, एंड एग्जाम लेवल तक जाने वाले हर वो क्वेश्चन जो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट है हम लोग उसको सॉल्व करेंगे आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. कूल. डेट ऑफ स्टार्ट होने वाला है, आज है 14th, सो 15, 16, 17 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. टाइमिंग इज गोइंग टू बी 4 PM to 6 PM, राइट? हाउ यू गाइज नीड टू रजिस्टर फॉर इट. अच्छा, इन सबसे पहले सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, ये सब करने के बाद आई नो कुछ लोग तो 100% सोचने वाले हैं कि ये तो सब मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट हो गया. ओके, सो वट एवर आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस बैच एंड एवरीथिंग इज 100% फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. There is zero intent to promote anything, right? The only intent is keep you guys, keep myself going through whatever it is. We should not stop, right? Cool. Coming to how will you register for it, let me show you that. So you'll have to go to your web browser and then to our website, which is outscoreeducation.com. After you sign up, you'll have to go to courses on the top right corner. Courses, we will see a course with this yellow colored thing, foreign exchange and international financial management, 20 plus marks ka coverage. After you tap into the course, you can enroll for free. To learn how would you access the course, I'll put a link in the description जहाँ पे मैंने छोटा सा वीडियो बना के एक्सप्लेन किया that after you register how can you access through the course. आपको वेबसाइट से ही पूरा एक्सेस मिलने वाला है, so you did not to worry, उसके लिए कोई तामझाम नहीं है, सिंपल सब कुछ होने वाला है. Cool. So that's all. I believe this small effort by me is going to help you guys. If you think that it can be helpful for any of your friends, senior, junior, anyone, share this video to them, and let all of us take the advantage of efforts we are making, right? See you on 17th and good luck. All the best.